Got a little bit of a different road trip for you today. We're going to take the roadster and we're going to go up to the top of Mt Ascutney over in Vermont. Now, Mt Ascutney is famous for a couple things. First, the mountain itself. And the second thing is that 2 or 3 times during the summer, they will have the Mt Ascutney Hill Climbs, which is sort of like the Mount Washington Hill Climbs, or the Pikes Peak Hill Climbs. It's just a smaller miniature version of it. I was flying over Mt Ascutney the other day, and yes, you can go see some flying videos over on my other channel, and I'll put a link to that down in the description. And flying over the top of the mountain, I got to thinking, well, wouldn't it be kind of fun to go and hike the mountain? So we're going to drive up the auto trail, get to the top parking lot, and from there we're going to hike to the top of the mountain. I will see you guys when we get to the entrance to the mountain.
Where we are. This is the trail to get up to the top thing. But if you're not in good shape, you can take this one. It's a little easier climb.
Okay.
So you tell me what you want to do.
A hard one.
And this gets you into all the parks today for free. All the Vermont parks.
So this is the auto road that they run the Ascutney Mountain auto climb, or mountain climb. And they do this at a very fast speed. But I think we won't.
show you something.
So this is what a 70-year-old man looks like climbing up the hardest trail on Mt Ascutney. Yeah. I don't know if that doesn't make it harder.
What am I doing?
Let me, no, flip.
Do you want to take me before you had your heart attack?
Yeah. I'm actually feeling better than I did 20 minutes ago. Heart rate's coming up.
Yeah.
So parking lot via slot trail, Castle Rock. But we want to go this way, I think. What? I did. Hey.
I got it. Yes, you said you did.
Oh, that's true. I'm assuming it's running. So,
You got a red light.
okay, that's what matters.
Of course, you got the great pictures of your feet.
Now I have it set. That's what I was using the phone for, so I could get it at the angle. And of course, I have no idea what I'm getting till I get it.
you're right down.
Hey, there's the tower. This is the end.
How much did I do here?
No. Oh, it keeps going. Because I don't know where that goes. Does it go back down? You going up with me? Huh? This is gonna be the hardest part. Yeah. Pardon? Yes. It's enough. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. It's gorgeous. Yeah, and 2 days ago I was circling this. Isn't that beautiful?
Farm. Straight ahead, right?
You should be able to see it from here.
Straight ahead.
There's Monadnock, so it has to be right here.
Straight ahead.
I don't see him.
Where's Claremont right there?
Oh, it's right here. There's the airport right there.
Yep. Okay.
It's that little brown spot. Yep. That's the airport. The wind farm should be
It's here.
Should be right on that ridge, right over in there.
Because it's where's Monadnock, is that bump over there?
Look at that one over there. That's Monadnock.
Yeah.
That's Sunapee right in here.
These over more.
Yeah, Mount Sunapee should be right in here.
So it's not as clear of a day as we...
No, a lot of smoke from the fires.
Yeah. I thought straight ahead I could see like things on poles.
No, I don't see them. Alright guys, things that you can do with your car. You can go climb a mountain. You can go hike a mountain. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I have no idea what we're doing after this one. Got a few ideas, but you'll have to come back on Rust to Resurrection to see what's next. See you guys in the next video. Bye.